If Chrome looks too small or too large, there are two super quick ways to zoom in or out, and I'm going to show you both right now. This is a really useful tip whether you want to make text easier to read, fit more on the screen, or just get Chrome looking the way you like it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to zoom in Chrome is with your mouse and keyboard together. On Windows or Chromebook, hold down the Ctrl key, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. You'll see the page size change instantly as you move the wheel, so you can stop exactly where you want. This is the quickest method because it works right away without opening any menus. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is similar, but you would use Command instead of Control. So the idea is the same. Hold the shortcut key and scroll to control the zoom level. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect if you prefer using the Chrome menu. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots to open the main menu. Once the menu drops down, look for the Zoom section. You'll see a plus button to zoom in and a minus button to zoom out. Every time you click plus, the page gets larger. Every time you click minus, the page gets smaller. This is a great option if you don't want to use the mouse wheel or keyboard shortcut. It's also helpful if you want a more precise way to adjust the page size. If your page ever feels too zoomed in or too zoomed out, just use either of these methods to get it back to normal. And if you want to reset everything, you can usually keep clicking until the zoom returns to 100%. That gives you the default Chrome view again. So to quickly recap, you can zoom Chrome by holding Ctrl and scrolling your mouse wheel, or you can open the three-dot menu and use the plus and minus zoom buttons. Both methods are simple, fast, and very beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.